Imagine if the lights went out and didn't come back on. Most outages are short-lived, but they show how much we rely on electricity. Our phones, fridges, internet, heating, and all our appliances need power to work. Could your family handle a long outage? Many are ready for the usual problems but struggle with surprises. Phone batteries die, food goes bad, the internet disappears, and online info becomes unreachable. While a lot of people have flashlights, few have thorough emergency plans in place. Often, it's not about missing supplies but rather knowing what's most important. Being prepared means taking responsibility, not giving in to fear. In tough times, folks want to stay calm and help each other out. But without a solid plan, uncertainty can increase. What food should you stock up on? How much water do you need? How can you find info when offline? Finding basic answers can boost your confidence. Gaps in your planning may lead to dead batteries or missing supplies. It's essential to think ahead to manage unexpected issues successfully. Preparation gives you space to think clearly instead of juggling multiple problems. You don't need expensive gear to get started. Simple steps can be effective: good lighting, sufficient food and water, keeping important info offline, learning skills, and setting up communication plans. The goal isn't about being entirely self-sufficient or fearing tech. It's about building awareness and management skills for when the power goes out. Enter David's Shield, a handy guide full of practical low-tech preparedness strategies for homes and self-reliance. This resource merges traditional skills with today's needs, discussing everything from food and water to emergency strategies. It's meant to educate, not just provide a quick fix. Keeping your location and resources in mind helps shape your preparedness. Always include local emergency advice in your planning. Picture knowing where everything is stored and having a simple strategy everyone understands. You can gather crucial info offline and grow practical knowledge. This isn't about waiting for disaster to strike. It's about lowering confusion and boosting your organization skills. If you're curious about getting ready for blackouts or becoming self-reliant, learning low-tech methods can be really beneficial. Confidence comes from knowing how to effectively use what you already have. Even though modern tech makes life easier, having practical knowledge is still crucial. Start with small preparedness steps. Assess your needs, keep your supplies in check, learn some skills, and share your plans. Everyone in the household should know what to do during an outage. We want awareness, organization, and confidence, not fear. When emergencies happen, having a calm plan is much better than making last-minute choices. If you're interested in power outage readiness or household resilience, check out David's Shield linked in the description. Take a look at the material, compare it to local guidelines, and see how it fits your household. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. What's one simple preparedness step every household should think about?